Imagine it's January, it's freezing outside. You walk out to your brand new $70,000 luxury electric vehicle, get inside, and press the button for the heated seats. Nothing happens. Instead, a text box pops up on your dashboard. Your subscription has expired. Please swipe your credit card to unlock Basic Comfort Pack. You try to start the engine to just drive away, but the screen flashes a warning. A corporate server, thousands of miles away, has intercepted your dashboard. If a digital auto payment bounces by even 12 minutes, your vehicle's climate control or ignition shuts off. You do not truly own your car anymore. You are just renting a rolling smartphone from a multi-billion-dollar corporation that can turn your private property into a useless brick with a single over-the-air line of code. We were promised a green utopia, a revolution that would save the planet and free us from gas stations. So how did the dream of the electric vehicle turn into a corporate trap? Every day, headlines tell you the same story. EVs are the future. Traditional gas engines are dead. Governments are passing aggressive mandates to ban internal combustion by the next decade. But behind the slick marketing campaigns and the stock market hype, the entire transition is quietly fracturing. What looks like progress on the surface is actually a cover-up for a massive systemic collapse. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how the EV revolution broke its promises, why automakers like Ford, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz are turning your modern car into a digital prison, and the terrifying financial reality that the auto industry is desperately trying to hide from you. Think back to what a car used to mean. It was the ultimate symbol of American freedom. A purely mechanical machine of steel, gas, and gears. Once you paid the dealership, that machine belonged to you. If something broke, you could open the hood with a basic wrench and fix it yourself. There were no tracking devices, no software updates, no internet connection. Just you, the open road, and a machine that answered only to your hands on the wheel. It was a simple, beautiful contract. You bought it, you owned it. But Silicon Valley looked at that physical freedom and saw a massive wasted business opportunity. They realized they didn't just want to sell you a physical product once. They wanted to monetize every single second you spend inside of it. To understand why this happened, you have to look at the hidden economics of car manufacturing. Building an electric vehicle is brutally expensive. The profit margins on traditional cars used to come from complex engines, frequent oil changes, and decades of mechanical parts servicing. But EVs have fewer moving parts, threatening to dry up dealership service revenue. So how do car companies survive if they can't sell you replacement fan belts, software as a service? By turning your car into a software platform, automakers discovered a recurring gold mine. BMW sparked global outrage by implementing an $18 a month subscription just to turn on the heated seats. Mercedes-Benz followed closely, locking the full horsepower of its EQ electric vehicles behind a $90 a month acceleration increase digital paywall. The physical hardware is already inside the car. You already paid for the raw weight of the copper coils and the motors at the dealership. But a software gatekeeper is standing in your way, demanding a monthly ransom for features your vehicle already possesses. And this brings us to the ultimate disruption. The twin crises that the EV industry cannot engineer its way out of, the grid infrastructure and battery degradation. Our electrical grid was built for light bulbs and refrigerators, not for millions of 3-ton computers charging simultaneously. According to studies by engineering groups like the Electric Power Research Institute, charging just one heavy electric truck at a high-speed megawatt charger draws enough peak power to run an entire commercial building. Multiplying that by millions of consumer vehicles threatens catastrophic, localized grid collapse without trillions in taxpayer upgrades. And then there is the hidden expiration date. Lithium-ion batteries degrade. It is a fundamental law of physics. Within a decade, an EV battery loses its capacity. Replacing it isn't like buying a standard car battery at an auto shop. A new pack costs upwards of $25,000. When a $25,000 repair bill hits a used EV that is only worth $15,000 on the market, that vehicle is instantly, economically totaled. Billions of dollars in manufacturing are being poured into vehicles designed to be thrown away in 10 years, creating an unprecedented wave of high-tech toxic waste. So, what does this actually mean for you? Welcome to the era of the predatory vehicle. You no longer possess vehicle ownership. You possess a temporary license to drive. Your wallet is no longer drained just at the pump, it's drained every single month by your own dashboard. Ford Global Technologies went so far as to file an official patent titled Systems and Methods to Repossess a Vehicle. The patent explicitly details a future where, if you miss a payment, the vehicle automatically disables its own air conditioning, emits an unceasing, distressing beep through the speakers, locks you out of the cabin entirely, or uses autonomous driving tech to literally drive itself away to a repossession lot or a junkyard. Your physical mobility has been converted into a recurring line item on a corporate balance sheet, and if you don't pay, they press delete. We are rushing blindly into a future where we own nothing, control nothing, and repair nothing. We traded the raw, rugged independence of the open road for the sterile convenience of a touchscreen. And as the old mechanical world fades away, future generations will never know what it feels like to truly own the machine that moves them. They will just be passengers in a world owned entirely by someone else. The world is changing faster than our ability to adapt, and the trends shaping our reality are hidden in plain sight. If you want to understand these shifts before they control you, you need to see them coming. Subscribe to the trend theory. Don't just watch the future happen, understand it.